Hello dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question, and this is taken from class 10 chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. And the question is, the shadow of a tower when the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree is found to be 10 meter longer than when it was 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So in this question, one tower is given, and it is said that when the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree, then the shadow of this tower is 10 meter longer than when this angle of elevation is 60 degree. It means on 60 degree angle of elevation, the shadow is 10 meter smaller than when the elevation angle is 45 degree. So let's draw the figure, then we'll understand the question. So first of all, we will draw here. This is, suppose this is a tower. AB is a tower, right? Now suppose sun is here, right? Sun is here. Okay, then shadow of this AB tower will be like this. Will be like this. Okay, suppose this is shadow of the tower, and this is angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation. So this angle is given in the first case as 45 degree. This is sun and this is tower, and AC is the shadow in the first case when the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Now when the sun will rise up here, suppose, okay, now the shadow will be reduced. Suppose shadow is here and this angle will be increased. See here, angle is increased now. Now this angle of elevation is given 60 degree. And shadow is here. In this time AD is the shadow. When angle of elevation is 45, then shadow is AC, and when the angle of elevation is 60 degree, then shadow is AD is the shadow this time, right? So it is said that when this is angle of elevation 45 degree, shadow is 10 meter longer. So this shadow is 10 meter longer than this shadow, AD shadow, right? So it means CD distance is 10 meter given. Suppose AD distance is x meter, right? So CD distance is 10 meter given. So total AC distance will be x plus 10 meter, you can say. This is AC distance. So this is x plus 10 meter shadow, right? So AB is a tower. When the angle of elevation is 45 degrees, so AC will be shadow at that time. And when the angle of elevation is 60 degree, AD is a shadow. And in this case, this shadow is a 10 meters smaller than the shadow when the angle of elevation is 45 degree. So this is x plus 10, this is x meter shadow, this is x plus 10 meter shadow, right? So in this question, we need to find out the height of the tower. This AB we need to find out. So I will tell you how to find out the height of AB. So what we do, in small right angle triangles, this is ABD right angle triangle, we will find out the value of x here. We will find out the value of x here from this right angle triangle. It will be in terms of AB, we will find out x, and in bigger right angle triangle ABC, we will find out the value of AB, and then we will fix the value of x from the equation 1. Again I repeat, in small triangle ABD we will find out the value of x, and in triangle ABC, when we will find out the value of AB, we will fill the value of x from the previous equation. So let's start the question, then you will understand what to do. So it's written that, let in figure AB is a tower, AC is a shadow. Shadow means parchai, huh? AC is a shadow in first case, right? And angle C, this is angle of elevation, that is 45 degree, and AD is shadow in second case when angle D, that is angle of elevation, that is 60 degree. Now let AD shadow's length is x meter, then AC will be x plus 10, because in this question it is given that on 45 elevation the shadow is 10 meter longer. So CD is obviously 10 meter. Now in right angle triangle, smaller one, we will write in right angled triangle ABD, x over, this is AD, x over AB is equal to, see here, this is base and this is perpendicular. So B over P, this is cot 60, right? Cot tangent of 60 degree. base over perpendicular. So from here you can find out x is equal to AB, cross multiply AB will go here, and you know cot 60 is 1 by root 3. So it will become AB over root 3. So this you speak as equation number 1, right? Now in right angle triangle ABC, so in right angled triangle ABC, you can see AB over this AC. AB over AC is equal to, this is P over B, perpendicular over base, that is tan. So tangent of 45 degree, and we know tan 45 is 1. So we will have here AB is equal to, or you can write AB over AC. To AC you can write x plus 10. So AC over AB over x plus 10 is equal to tan 45 is 1. So it means what it will be there now. So you can do cross multiply. So AB is equal to x plus 10. So what we do now, from equation 1 we'll fill the value of x as here AB over root 3. So you write here from 1 AB is equal to x. X is AB over root 3. I tell you we need to find out the value of AB only. So now you will bring this to this side, so it becomes AB minus AB over root 3 is equal to 10. Okay, so AB is common here. So what is left inside? 1 minus 1 over root 3 is equal to 10, right? So now what will be there? AB is equal to, you can take LCM here, root 3 is LCM. So root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus 1 is equal to 10. So you can cross multiply now. AB is equal to, this root 3 will go up, so it becomes 10 root 3, and this root 3 minus 1 will come down here. So you can do now rationalization. So we have to multiply with root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1, right? So let's see what will be AB coming here. AB is equal to 10 into, or you can multiply here also. So 10 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 over here A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. So root 3 square is 3 and minus 1 square is 1 only. So we will find from here, or see here 10 into, you can multiply root 3 inside. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 into 1 is root 3, right? Now it will come 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So after all AB is coming 5 into 3 plus root 3 meter. Answer. So height of the tower is 5 into 3 plus root 3 meter. So this way we will solve this question. Thanks for watching.